Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this class, we are going to learn about most important tool and magnificent tool and important tool. Without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to the world of Adobe Illustrator. So we have got two of the tools, my friend, like rotate tool, reflect tool. These two seem so much small. Let me try to take polygon or maybe rounded rectangular tool. So I have created that. Make sure to click there. So what I have to do, my friend, we've got the rotate tool there. So if I click there, we've got the center or the anchor point there. See? So if I click there, see, I have been holding the mouse click, see, and I'm rotating that. So you can rotate anything you have. So if I click there, my friend, go for rotate tool. If I click there, my friend, now see, the shape is being rotated on that of the point. See, if you can see that of a green spot or green option is there or point is there, so you can rotate on that. Something that this is sort of option that is relating with sort of rotating option, like rotating something. If I double click on it, so you can also have settings there, like maybe I have created rectangular there. Make sure double click on rotate tool, and over there you can play with that. See, that works. Make sure to delete that out. Make sure to draw rectangular there. So I have done that. Make sure to rotate that there. If you can see, we have got sort of option there through which we can also rotate anything we have on interface. Like we have got this sort of option there through which we can also rotate anything we have on interface. If I hold the shift button there, my friend, so now you're having control on what you are rotating there. See, that works. So this is how you can rotate anything you have on interface, my friend. Have a look at the next option. Make sure to double click on it. So you can also play with these of the options. So I have done that. Make sure to rotate that by holding the shift button on keyboard. Make sure to decrease the size of that. Make sure to click on direct selection tool. Click there, move it there. See? So I have moved that there. Make sure to decrease the size of that little more. So what I have to do this time to just stretch this little more. So what I have to do this time, my friend, I have to select the top 3 points and make sure to click on it, the direct selection tool, just top 3 points. I have converted that to sort of rounded points, sort of round shape. So what I have to do this time, my friend, make sure to click there and make sure to click on rotate tool. Make sure to click there and drag that to right side. So now we have got the copy of that on 45 degree. So what we have to do, if we want to have some of the copies or repeat the copies, so we have to hold the control or the command button and press D button. See, we are having the copies there. So that's how it is working, like, my friend. If you want to have the copy of these, make sure to select these, hold the control or the command, press C for copy, press F, pasting it on the same place which you have copied already. If you can to rotate that, you can also rotate that, see, or if you want to make it bigger, you can make that bigger. So that is what you can take copy, my friend. There is another tool which is known as reflect tool. If you want to reflect that, my friend, make sure to click there and click on reflect tool. Make sure to hold, make sure to click there, my friend, and hold the alt button there and move it there. See, that is what is reflected. Let me make another thing there, my friend. Make sure to go for ellipse tool, draw something like that, go for anchor point tool, click there and also click there. So we've got a sort of leaf there. Let me rotate that little bit there. If you want to reflect that furthermore, make sure to right click there, go for transform, reflect, copy. So we've got the copy of that there, my friend. Make sure to take a rectangular there, ellipse there. So what I have to do this time, make sure to click on these, make sure to click on rotate and click in the center. Make sure to take the copy of that by holding the alt and the shift button there, and you're good to go. See, have a look at this, my friend. Hope you are enjoying that and maybe you can play with that. Make sure to take pen tool, click there and make sort of line there, click there, increase the size of that, go for this option, and this time what I have to do, make sure to put it there, go for rotate tool, make sure to click there, take the copy of that by holding the alt button there and then press T. Now you're good to go, my friend. Have a look at this, my friend. So this is how you can work on it and you can play according to what you want. Let's try to design another one, my friend. Like, go for ellipse tool, draw it there, make sure to apply any sort of color there, maybe like this color. What I have to do this time, my friend, make sure to go for rotate tool, make sure to click there, take the copy of that by holding the alt button there and make sure to move that to right side. Make sure to hold the control or the command button and press D button. So now we are having more of the copies of that. See, that works, my friend. Well, this time, if you can observe, this is not observable that much. So what we have to do this time to go for transparency and change the mood of that to maybe lighten, not lighten, screen, color dodge, overlay, soft light, hard light, difference. Well, you can go for any one of them. However, I can go for multiply. Make sure to group that out. So now we are having sort of beautiful flower there. Have a look at this, my friend. See, that works. Make sure to click on star. Make sure to draw a star there. And this time, make sure to apply any sort of different sort of color there. And this time make sure to click on rotate tool, make sure to click there, take the copy of that, press D. Now you are good to go. Have a look at this, my friend. Just try to play with that. Make sure to click on rectangular right there, rotate that. Make sure to select the bottom part or the bottom anchor point, select the top anchor points and make it rounded. Make sure to select that there, go for rotate tool, click there, and then you're good to go, my friend. So have a look at this, my friend. Well, you can create many of the designs by using the rotate tool there, my friend, which I'll be designing some of the things and interesting things for you in the coming tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.